In this video, I want to show you how to remove the outline of a text box in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. To insert a text box, come to Insert, then click on Text Box and choose any format of your choice. Let's choose this simple text box and you can see it here. So you can paste any text of your choice inside. So if I click outside, you can see the outline of this text box. To remove this outline, just click on the text box to highlight it just like this. Then come under Formats and here come under Shape Outline. Click on Shape Outline and here instead of the outline showing, click on No Outline. If I click on it, you can see that the outline has been removed. So this is how to remove outline from text box in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.